If my client had to waste a year because of your lethargic behavior, first and foremost, they had delayed giving the updated mark sheet for a period of 2 years. This issue is not a new issue. This has been going on for many years altogether now. This is nothing but a lethargic working of Goa University. And the funny part is only after receiving the legal notice, they have given the mark sheet within few hours. He is not the only student who is getting affected by this. There are more than 20-21 students who are affected by the lethargic working of Goa University. Ranking, Goa University is nowhere in the best 200 colleges. Training also the fact that the students are going abroad. When you are not treating the students properly over here, when you are delaying their mark sheets and further delaying, hampering their career, why will the students stay here? The reason why we have called for this press conference is to show to the public the lethargic working of the Goa University, which is affecting the students of Goa. Now to brief this particular case, here is my client, Mr. Estelle D'Souza. He is from Kunkoli. Now this boy has graduated Bachelor's in Arts in the year 2023 in the college Goa Kunkoli Educational Society. But what has happened here is, in the year 2022, that is in the month of August, due to some personal reasons, he could not answer one minor paper, that is geography practicals, which is consisting of some 15 marks. Thereafter, within a month, he answered the exam, that particular paper, and cleared the paper. Now what happens is, the justification is given by the Goa University as such. If you have any backlog in any semester, they show the CGPA as blank for that particular semester which you don't answer. Now in this case, what has happened? The student has answered the exam and he has cleared the backlog in the month of September within a period of 1 month. The fact of clearing the semester and getting all those marks were immediately updated to the Goa University. That is in the year 2022. Thereafter, in 2023, my client cleared the exam, he got graduated, but still from semester 3 to semester 6, all the mark sheets, the CGPA was blank. Ample of efforts were taken by my client. At the same time, the college, that is CES, had issued letters to Goa University to update the mark sheet. Now this process has been going on since 2022 till date 2024. On 19th June 2024, Kunkoli Educational Society again issued a letter to Goa University forwarding the marks what the student had scored for that particular subject and to update the CGPA. Again, on 25th July 2024, another letter was sent, but still the mark sheet was not updated. Here, my client, he wishes to pursue law. And what happens when you want to pursue law? To get admission in law college, you have to answer something called GUCLET, Goa University Common Law Admission Test. Now in this test, my client already secured 70 out of 100. Now if you consider the chart, 70 is not a small number. He has scored fairly good. He is there in the best 20, you can say, out of the 600 students who had answered. Even in 2023, he graduated with flying colors. He scored 70 out of 100 in GUCLET, but still his admission could not take place because of the failure of Goa University to give an updated mark sheet. Thereafter, when it came to the admission part, my client submitted all the necessary documents to the college, which he had in hand. On 24th of July, he received a call from the college, that is Govind Ramnath Kare College of Law, saying that because of the CGPA, his admission is kept on hold. On this very same day, my client along with me, we went to Goa University. We approached the authorities who are issuing the mark sheets, but they were giving a time period of 8 days. It will take 8 days. One was saying it would take 10 days to update the mark sheet. And all what was going was their blame games. Thereafter, the final date to submit the mark sheet, all the documents, was 27th July. and thereafter the portal was closed. Since he had not submitted those particular the mark sheet, which is again because of the university's fault, his admission is still kept on hold. At the same time, on 29th of July, I issued them a legal notice, the Goa University a legal notice, directing them to update the mark sheet immediately and he handed over to my client, which was duly received by the university on the 30th of July. And on surprisingly, on 30th July itself, they updated the mark sheet and gave the mark sheet to my client. Now the delay, they have first and foremost they had delayed giving the updated mark sheet for a period of 2 years. And the funny part is only after receiving the legal notice, they have given the mark sheet within 2 hours. But by then it was too late. Admission portal was already closed, and as a result of which my client's admission is kept on hold. And it is most unlikely to happen. All because of the fault of the university. This issue is not a new issue. This has been going on for many years altogether now. This is nothing but a lethargic working of Goa University. At the same time, when we went to the college and at the same time DHE, we saw that he is not the only student who is getting affected by this. There are more than 20-21 students who are affected by the lethargic working of Goa University. This is not the way how the university should function and how they should treat the students. At the same time, we have to also consider where Goa University is ranking now. In 2021, Goa University had slipped down from 87th rank to 96th rank. And just yesterday I checked the NHRE ranking, Goa University is nowhere in the best 200 colleges, best 200 universities. This is the worst state. At the same time, the only appeal, I am not even appealing, this is a warning what I am giving. If you are not if my client had to waste a year because of your lethargic behavior, your lethargic working, I will approach the court of law.
Basically on the part of Goa University for their lethargic approach, right?
Yes, absolutely. And this has been going on for quite many years now. Then we are complaining also the fact that the students are going abroad. When you are not treating the students properly over here, when you are delaying their mark sheets and further delaying, hampering their career, why will the students stay here? Most likely not. And not just because of the failure on the part of the university. Here the child has scored 70 in GUCLET. At the same time, he's having very good marks in his graduation, very good CGPA, with which he would have easily sailed through the admission process. But now only because of the fault of the university, his admission is getting hampered.
Subscribe and follow our YouTube and Facebook channel for more videos.